What is good, y'all? My name is Dom and welcome to my first video. So I'm going to be installing this set of coilovers on the Subi. These are Racecomp Engineering Tarmac ones. Really nice set. I've been looking for these for a while. I did get them used, but I tried to clean them up as best as I could, so yeah. What I like about these is that they were actually manufactured by KW and resprung and revalved by Racecomp. This set in particular, I think, has the upgraded front springs. I believe they're 500 pounds and the rears are 400. They also came with the Cusco camber plates, which are nice, but I might switch them to the OEM top hats because my car is mostly going to be a daily driver. Not really going to be taking it to the track much. Can I help you? Forgot to mention, I'm gonna install this on a 2009 Legacy GT. I'll probably do a video on everything that I've done to this car so far, but I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. Probably take out the fronts first. I won't go too in depth because there are a bunch of, coilover installs on YouTube. But this is how she sits right now. There's about a 2-finger gap between the fender and the tire. But the thing is, I think my shocks are blown right now. She's on Coilover struts with Tane springs, but every time I go over a bump, it's basically like riding over bricks. So definitely want to change those out. If these coilovers also end up being blown, Racecomp actually can rebuild them and they go through KW, so I have that option if needed. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get started. Here's what they look like side to side. Yeah, big difference. Right front is done. How it looks. Driver's side is done. Fronts are done. There's about 2-ish finger gap, kind of like before, on both sides. So I'm gonna test drive it later and kind of see how they settle in. Comparison of the rears. Sorry for not recording for installing the rear, but they are done. A little bit higher than before, which is fine. Again, like another 2-finger-ish gap, which is perfect for me. Don't want this thing too low. Here's the other side. Same thing. So if I really need to adjust the height, then I will, but I think I'll just keep it like this. And then I just need to get in alignment. Okay, so it's actually been about a month since I last recorded that last part. I've just been so busy, but basically I got the car aligned and everything is good. This is how she is sitting now. But anyways, I just have to say I love these coilovers. They're great on the street, and if I really wanted to take them to the track, I feel like I could. If I remember correctly, they have around 18 clicks of damping, rebound damping. I'll probably have to double check, but they're more on the softer side right now just because I'm daily driving it. But other than that, I love them. Would definitely recommend them to anybody who has a Subaru. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this one. I'll be uploading some more videos soon, so hope y'all stay tuned. Okay, bye.